Hello YouTube, this is my update on my Machinist Vise. I'm repainting. Like I said, I'm not doing a perfect job on it. I taped it up, masked it, painted with zinc oxide primer because I like zinc oxide primer. Or red oxide, red zinc, black zinc, gray zinc, whatever color oxide you want. I find it inhibits rust. Not that like this thing's ever gonna be sitting in the yard anywhere, but I taped it up, and if I take my dirty hands off, I'll show you. I taped up the vise in the last video. See, I taped it, and there's the tape. I painted the ends. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a showpiece. I didn't weld the holes up. I painted this. I just left that in. Got a little overspray, some crap on it, whatever. I'll polish it. Probably gonna paint it. I'm not sure. I haven't decided if I should paint it Battleship Gray or I should paint it Battleship Gray. I'm not sure which color Battleship Gray. This color gray or this color gray. Even though they're the same thing anyway. Just kidding. Just a joke. But anyway, yeah, I'm probably gonna paint it gray. I don't know if I don't know if I like that darker gray. I might try to find a lighter one. Or I haven't picked the color. I'm just going through zinking everything, and I'll paint it all at a later time. But so far, this is what I got. I still have to clean this piece of copper. This doesn't really have to be cleaned. I cleaned it pretty good with a wire brush. There's just a little bit of dirt on it. I might polish this part up a little bit on my buffing wheel. I gotta clean these dirty little bolts, but they're in perfectly fine shape. There's no reason to want to paint them or not. And I gotta paint this. I have to polish up, and I'm guessing I lubricate it and I paint one side because there's only one side, and there's a kind of a little burr here I might take out. It's the only minor defect I might just grind off because it's like it dented. This one has one side. There's only one side each. It's painted. This is bare metal. This side's bare metal. This side's bare metal because it's the slide part, which is, I'll leave it. I'm just going to mask it all up, put a thing of primer, and then when I figure out what color, I'll paint it all. And I think that's it for it. And then after that, I will set it up on my, what do you call it, King Industrial milling machine, and I will take it out for a test run. But before I do that, I have to take one of these and figure out what size. Well, I don't figure out what size. I already know what size this is. I don't remember what kind of bit it is, but I'm going to take a couple of cap screws and drill a hole through some of this aluminum I have here, and I'm going to attempt, I don't know how good I am, but I'm going to attempt to make some jaws. I don't know. But basically, I'm just going to drill 2 holes, and then try to drill a wider hole so I could fit this. Try to sink it in there like this, so I don't have to worry about it in the way. I don't know if you can see this. I probably should move forward. Line up the hole. My problem is line up the holes. I might not be able to get it perfect, but I'll make it a little bigger. Make it, and then I'll countersink the holes. It's just so the bolt stays in about that far. I don't know how far these go in. I haven't checked. But I'll get some more cap screws and I'll figure out what I'm going to do. This I want to polish. I want to make it nice and pretty. Make a nice little copper. Nobody's ever going to see it ever again. Like once I put it back together, it's going to be sitting under here buried. But it'll look nice and polished. Then I'll oil it up and I'll put it on the machine. So other than that, this video is 4 minutes long, and I don't know what else to say about this other than I think I like the lighter. I honestly think I like this color gray, but I do not like the hammer tone finish. Like hammer tone, I like hammer tone finish on stuff, but come on now, it doesn't need to be on everything. Like everything does not need to be hammer tone finish. So I might go with the darker gray for now, but that's all. My other option is aqua, dark green. I got, what is it, John Deere tractor yellow, black, or trim clad pink. And I don't think pink is gonna, match my milling machine. My daughter will love it. She'll be like, "Oh, you got a pink milling machine, Rice?" Even if she knows what it is. So yeah. Anyway, this is what I got. And it's all good. Anyway, If you like the video, click like and subscribe and keep watching, and I'll make more videos. I'm going to make more videos anyway, whether nobody watched it or not. It's fun. Have a good evening. Bye.